All right, guys, I want to show you another really cool tool that we have for you in the Creative Studio. So we're going to go over to Template Generator. All right. Now, last time I showed you this cool guided interview. We did a prompt, and it was super easy. Gave an incredible ad. I mean, literally 2 steps, and it was done. Today, I'm going to show you something just as easy, where it says image plus campaign brief. Now, this is where all of you folks who have a swipe file are going to be super psyched because, and by the way, here is my swipe file from back in my agency days. I had all sorts of, stuff like this. Let's see here. This one is the one that I'll pull it onto the screen here. This is the one that we use a lot in our own agency. I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're going to do with this now. So if you've got a swipe file, which if you don't and you're in a niche, you should see what everybody else is doing. You should see, the creative variations and the offers, and not necessarily to copy them, but to see what's working and then improve upon them, make them your own. So I'm going to go ahead and drag over my ad. I'm going to go ahead and drop this in right there. And then it wants me to tell it a little bit about this campaign. So, and it gives me an example. We're targeting small business owners who need help with Facebook ads. Our offer is a 7-day free trial of our ad management platform. The key is launching, winning Facebook ads without being an expert. We want them to sign up for a free trial. Okay, so I'm going to say we are targeting people suffering with diabetic neuropathy. We have a core offer that helps them resolve these, forget the spelling, you guys. I can't spell and do this at the same time, but it knows what we're talking about. Helps them resolve neuropathy naturally and without harmful drugs. The offer is a thermal scan and a doctor's consult for $47. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just generate template. All right, so it's going to take, now this one I noticed when I did the generate from an image, it took a little bit longer than the last one we did, where we just dropped in the prompt, put it in, and boom, it spit out the results. But this one's going to analyze this image a bit more, and it's going to create us more. So I'm going to go ahead and hit pause, and then we'll see what it created in just a second. All right, so let's take a look at what we got. Now it does have the image that we gave it. So just, full disclosure, it's going to probably create that image, but we really want to see what else it's creating. So I'm not going to spend too much time on the template configuration because this stuff is all pretty easy and dialed in. What I really want to see, where I'm really trying to see what the capability of the AI is in the ad text, so the ad copy, and then the media, so the images. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to jump into, and I want you to, think of this as if you saw this ad campaign in your feed, and maybe you're a person with neuropathy. I hope you're not. Numb-burning feed, $47 exam special. Book your scan today. This is pretty much in line with what we would have done. Now let's look at the ad copy, because I feel like this is where AI kind of, in the past, has not really done well. Okay, do your feet feel cold, numb, or like you're walking on pins and needles? Okay, we would say that all the time. Ignoring these signs can lead to permanent damage, but there is hope. I like that. Can lead to permanent damage. And I do just Sam it up. My style is a little bit different. I don't like M dashes. I think it's called ellipsis, but there's a hope there, but there is hope, and you don't have to rely on endless medications. We use thermal imaging technology to literally see, I love that, to literally see the problem. Healthy nerves have proper blood flow. Red versus warm. Damaged nerves often show up as blue cold. I love that. Introducing a natural neuropathy protocol, non-invasive and drug-free. Address the root cause. Man, this is good. For a limited time, we're offering a complete neuropathy examination, including, I'm going to put a little bit of a white space between that and the next line. Doctor's consult, thermal nerve scan, and doctor's consultation, all for just $47, value of $25. Don't let the pain get worse. Click below to claim your voucher and see what's really going on inside your feet. The only thing I would do to improve this is just add a little bit of scarcity, limited to just 20, this. Then I'm going to do custom values. Current month. Now that means that you're going to have to create this ad. This wouldn't be like an evergreen ad. So you could leave this out, but I find that adding in a little bit of scarcity will make it perform that much better. So we're going to go with ad media. So this is where I'm really curious. How are we doing on ad media? So this was the one that it had to go off of. See the root cause. I love that. Struggling with numbness. I love that. Pins and needles. I love that. Well, dude, these are all really good. These are all really, really good. It's almost flawless. And it created 4 just like that. So you guys, if you have a swipe file, if you're trying to build that library of ads, it has never been easier. Give this thing a shot and let me know. Let me know how it worked out. I'd love to see your results.